In this video, we are unboxing my very first collection of washi tape from the washi tape shop. I am so excited about this because they reached out to me and asked if they could send a box for me to review and decorate some planner spreads with. Obviously, the answer is yes. I was so excited. So let's unbox this order that they sent and we'll do some swatches in my Go Getter Girl notebook. There will be an affiliate link in the description box along with a 10% off code. The planner channel 10 is the code. And then also there's going to be a really big sale coming up after Christmas, or starting Christmas Eve. So I'll have some details in the description box about that too. Okay, let's just start. Here is a floral one. This is called Flower Corridor Wide. Let's open and swatch. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it already. Okay, this is gonna be a really pretty spring floral planner spread that we'll use this for. Now, I noticed that the washi tape shop washies come in clear or paper. So there are two different ways, you can get clear washi tape. Oh, it's so pretty. Or you can get the paper washi tape. All right, let's swatch this one. So this clear washi is on a clear backing, which you just peel off. Let me start at the top up here. Move that over and just place it on the page so we can see how pretty it is. I need to trim that. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Look how pretty this washi is. So pretty. Next up, we have Forest Houses Wide washi tape. Okay, first let's look at all of these. They are so stinking cute. And I love how each one can be a great theme starter for decorating your planner. So you could do this tropical colors, you could do these neutral colors, you could do bright pinks, you can do this cottage theme, a spring fruit and floral theme, you could do a lavender theme. They're just really good inspiration too. I think I'm just gonna trim off two of them as an example to put in the swatch book. Next up we have this one, Carefree Wide washi tape. Okay, check this one out, guys. It's vertical and it has the girls with flowers in different themes. This is so cool. You could do a whole theme based around the color of each of their dresses. Then you have some florals to start with, and then you could find boxes to match or pens that match, and you could make really cute planner spreads. Aren't they adorable? There's so many too. Since this is a vertical washi tape, let's put her on this side of the page. So pretty. Next up is Morning Dew Wide washi tape. This one has gold foil outline on the flowers and the butterflies. It is gorgeous. All right, let's put that one down here. All right, next up is called Floral Wave Wide washi tape. Next up, we have Moment in Time Wide washi tape. Let me show you all the different designs that are on here. There's so many cool themes. All right, this next one is called Home Sweet Home washi tape sticker set. So let's check it out. All right, so this set comes with 4 washi tapes. Looks like one this size, two this size, and one of the wide tapes. Okay, you guys, I'm freaking out. These are little individual washi tape stickers. Oh my gosh. All right, let me put a bunch of these on the page. They're so cute. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of little icon washi tape stickers that you can put all of them or just choose your favorites and that match with your planner theme. The next one is the same kind of thing, so I guess the whole set is probably like that. They're washi tape stickers, so now I get it, and that's why it's called a washi tape sticker set. See? So cool. Let's see what else is in this. So it has all of your like home, I mean, it's called Home Sweet Home, and it's like just all your stuff at home. Okay, this one has kind of a winter Christmas theme. It has your fireplace, Christmas tree, merry and bright. Home is not a place, it's a feeling. Gifts, merry and bright wreath, cozy places to hang out. Love it. So it looks like a lot of these have like Christmas theme in it. So I guess I would probably call it Home for the Holidays instead of Home Sweet Home. I'm trying to squeeze this Christmas tree in here because I like it. Let me show you some of the other designs on this one. Season's greetings. Open me. Presents. Last but not least, there's another sticker set. However, it looks like one of these was mislabeled because they look the same. When you look through the paper, it looks like the same stickers. So I think it's two of the same sticker set. And see, it has the same on the end, which is called Recordi Adella Sofita washi tape sticker set. But one of them has a different label on the end. So I'm going to put one aside to put in a giveaway, and we're going to open the other one. Ooh, look how pretty. All right, I hate to waste pages, so since these two are vertical and these two will fit down here, we're gonna squeeze them in on this page. Let's start with this big one. Now these are stickers too, so each of these little designs is gonna come off individually. So we're just gonna kind of stack them on the page. Look how pretty these are. These will look so good in a journaling planner or journal. Okay, look at all these different designs. They're super pretty. And you can, you know, arrange them on your page because they're each individual stickers. So this one has like little writing blocks you can write on or use as decorative stickers. This one is regular washi tape. And last but not least, all right, let's do a little close-up. This is the Home Sweet Home stickers. Recordi Adella Sofita. Those and these two washi tapes. Next we have Floral Wave and Moment in Time. Carefree. Morning Dew, Forest Houses, and Flower Corridor.